had a pretty nice looking day around the coastal Empire and the low country. Now the evening is looking pretty nice as well. Just a little bit of light still coming over the horizon, giving us a colorful sky over the city. And as we do go into the overnight, the cloud cover will remain somewhat thick for us, and we also do have the potential for some fog developing, just like what we had for this morning. But more clouds are streaming in. We do have a boundary that's draped across the region, not bringing us anything in the way of cooler air, but it will help to direct some of this cloud cover into our region for tonight and for the next couple of days ahead of the next storm system. As far as our temperatures for today, we did make it to 71 degrees in Savannah, trending 10 degrees above where we should be. Shy of the record for today, but we will have the opportunity to get very close to our record highs over the next several days, if not actually breaking those records. But as far as the current temperatures, starting to cool off a little bit. Lower 60s for Beaufort, 66 degrees for us still in Savannah, holding on to the lower 70s down to the south in Jessup, 66 degrees for Darien and for Richmond Hill. With the high humidity in play, we will have that potential for some fog developing early Thursday morning, and some of it will be fairly dense at times. We also do have the potential for some sea fog developing simply because the ocean water temperatures are very chilly in the 50s and the air temperatures will be warming into the upper 70s, close to 80 degrees for some of us, but by 11 o'clock and noontime or so, looks like that fog will no longer be an issue. So starting the day off foggy though, temperatures though either way will have no problem reaching the lower middle 70s just past lunchtime. Highs will be in the middle and upper 70s for most of us, and despite the cloud cover, no significant rain chances are in our forecast until that next system moves in on Saturday. But until then, we are going to be dealing with much warmer temperatures, especially for Friday and Saturday. Our forecast high temperatures are in the upper 70s, closer to 80 degrees. It looks like we will be breaking a record on Friday, and we are going to be getting pretty close to that on Saturday, breaking those records. So we will be dealing with warm temperatures. Feel like spring for the next few days with high pressure down to the south at the surface, driving in that warmer and more humid air. But that next system that we are watching is organizing out west. There is some rain across the desert southwest. This will pick up more moisture as it moves across the southern United States and picking up more of that moisture from the Gulf. Actually, strong and severe storms are possible across places like Arkansas, Louisiana, and into portions of Mississippi, but that system will be a lot weaker once it gets to our area. Just some showers expected at this point, but once it does clear off of the coast, much colder air will move back in. Low temperatures will be down into the lower 30s for next Monday and Tuesday, so definitely a reality check as far as those temperatures, reminding us that we are still in winter. For tonight, it's going to be foggy with cool conditions setting up. Temperature is cooling off into the middle and upper 50s for a lot of us, lower 50s for a few locations. And then for tomorrow, with the exception of the coast, we will warm into the middle and upper 70s. Hilton Head staying a little bit cooler in the 60s for highs. For the boaters, it's going to be fantastic out there on the waterways. Just watch out for some of that sea fog developing. We'll have an east wind 5 knots, giving us seas just at 1 foot. And as far as the forecast for the next few days, very warm for the next few afternoons. Even on Saturday with those showers moving in, temperatures will be in the upper 70s, and then cooler for Sunday. That breeze will pick up, and then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, that will be the reminder that is still winter highs just in the 50s, lows in the 30s.
All right, sports coming up next.